instructions will be on exam 1 that you're taking this weekend. Chemistry primer is quiz number 3 that you're taking this weekend. And quiz number 2 is all of the stains. So quiz number 2 is all of this.
Yes?
Labs 4 and 5. Staining labs. I don't know why they have numbers, they just do. So all the staining labs, and I wrote them on the board also. Now, I want to go back to lecture materials. I showed this in class, fun bacteria classification. We didn't classify bacteria yet. You're going to have to do a list soon. This is just a fun way to classify bacteria. So, if you break up your bacteria into shape, you got cocci, bacilli, spiral shape, and there's 2 kinds of spiral shapes. But they only gave us one. Treponema pallidum causes syphilis. So this is a drawing of a penis, a hand holding a penis up with a sore on the underside. And here's your miscellaneous bacteria. Mycoplasma, walking pneumonia, looks like fried eggs. Remember I showed you the fried egg picture? And the lungs, because it's pneumonia. Mycoplasma without cell membrane is wrong. It's without cell wall. Chlamydia, this is the reticulate body of chlamydia. Chlamydia causes trachoma. You get conjunctivitis, it's an STD. Oh, I could tell you stories about that. And this is the host cell bursting out the new chlamydia. Chlamydia is unusual bacteria. It must get inside a host cell to replicate. And here's a zoonotic disease, Coxiella, same thing. Funky life cycle, rickettsia, you know about rickettsia typhi and rickettsia rickettsii. This too can cause zoonotic diseases, and it gets inside a host cell, and that's how it replicates. Okay, let's go back to the cocci. Gram-positive cocci, gram-negative cocci. What's your gram-negative coccus? Neisseria gonorrhea. Or meningitis. Meningitis. This guy has meningitis. The brain, the spinal cord are inflamed. Gonorrhea, cervical infection. Let's talk about that before I forget. You'll get some test questions about gonococcal. So we talked about gonorrhea. So if it's gonococcal, what does that mean? Gonorrhea, Neisseria gonorrhea, is a diplococcus, right? So that's where the cockle comes in. The gono stands for gonads, or gonorrhea. So if it's gonococcal, that means it's pertaining to gonorrhea. So if you have gonococcal urethritis, you have inflammation of your urethra caused by the gonococcus. Neisseria gonorrhea is called the gonococcus. What if I have non-gonococcal urethritis? I have inflammation of the urethra from something other than gonorrhea. Non-gonococcal urethritis is often chlamydia, which is an STD. Or it could be a UTI from Escherichia coli, Enterococcus fecalis, Staphylococcus saprophyticus. I think there's one on here. Enterococcus faecium or fecalis, from fecal bacteria. Not from gonorrhea, but from fecal bacteria. Even skin flora, right? What if the normal